Hi YouTube, I'm going to teach Inhaler on this bass. I'll play through and then we'll talk. There's two guitars in this band. The other one that's not playing rhythm is playing slide guitar, playing like kind of atmospheric lines. With a lot of reverb. Anyways, I start on an F, and then I go to a D minor 7. Alright, and then the second time I go to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have that little count off that they do. And then you go right back to D minor. And that repeats. And then when we go to the chorus, we go B flat. And then what I was doing here is going to an F. I was just kind of going, sliding my index finger from the F on the 8th to the G on the 10th. Then it goes C. Then I went to C7. Then B flat again. Now if you're playing with a bass or a band with keyboards, you probably can just go F to C, but I like to add that kind of mimics the melody, but you don't have to play that. You can play this whole thing with power chords. If you can't play bar chords, you could start on the F at the 13th, go to the 10th. Remember, power chords are, you don't have to worry about major or minor. So. Then go to 6. Go back to 13. C at the 8th. Whole thing like that. Right, you could do an acoustic kind of thing if you want. You could play the simplified F in the open position. You can let your strings ring, and then go to D minor. D minor. The F. Oh, and then we can go to the B flat. I'm just barring strings 4, 3, and 2 at the 3rd fret. It's just like your A, except you're moving it up. You can do a little downstroke thing. Then I go to the F. On this place. C. Alright, so So there's 3 ways you can play that song. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and have fun with it. All right, bye.